So here is the limit switch, straight, and it's located at the good place because it's just like the same on the brand new N2. And so, for example, to illustrate, I'm going to make other videos for you to see. Listen. There is a click. There is a click and still a gap, little gap between the printed and the sliding blocks. But maybe if we are here, there is no click. We are against the sliding blocks here, and the screw didn't yet hit the limit switch. So it's not straight. There is a structure problem at the frame level.